Hello, so welcome back to this another video where I will be covering the 12th topic of the SI series, that is regional economic cooperation. So if you have not watched the previous lectures, please go into the playlist or the course section, and there you can get all the previous 11 videos arranged in a chronological manner. So with that, let us begin. Okay, why regional cooperation? Regional cooperation is necessary for regional development, for economic integration, for technology and innovation, for trade facilitation, and for peace and stability. These are the reasons why we need economic or regional cooperation. Then let's move on to SARC. So SARC was established in 8th December 1985. Objectives were to promote the welfare of the peoples of South Asia and improve their quality of life, to accelerate economic growth, okay, collective self-resilience, reliance, collaboration and mutual assistance, cooperation. Member states consists of 8 member states: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Okay, SARC. Then secretariat is at Kathmandu, Nepal. Governance and structure of SARC. Okay, so SARC summits, the meetings of the heads of state or government of member states is the highest decision-making authority under SARC. Summits are held biennially, hosted by a member state in alphabetical order. The member state hosting the summit assumes the chair of the association. The key outcome of SARC summit is a declaration. This summit declaration contains decision and directives of the leaders to strengthen and consolidate regional cooperation in different areas. The declaration is adopted by leaders at the conclusion summit. First summit was held in Dhaka and the recent summit was held in Kathmandu. Summits in India. Okay. Since 2014, no SARC summit has been taken place. Following the Uri attack, India cancelled its participation, alleging okay. Since 2014, no SARC summit has taken place. Council of Ministers, okay. Standing Committee. Foreign secretaries of the SARC member states, they take overall decisions relating to overall monitoring, approval of projects, determining intersectoral priorities, mobilization of regional and external resources, identification of new areas of cooperation. Standing committee is mandated to meet as often as necessary. Generally, they have met preceding the sessions of the Council of Ministers, that is, both during the summit as well as the Council is convened in between two summits. First session was held in New Delhi, said recent session was held in Pokhara, Nepal. Programming Committee. The Programming Committee comprises the heads, JSPG Director of SARC divisions of member states. It was set up by the 5th session of Standing Committee. Technical Committees. Technical committees comprising representative of member states are responsible for implementation, coordination and monitoring of the programs. Okay. Technical committees under SARC are, these are the technical committees. Working group. Working groups formulate and oversee programs and activities within the framework of SARC to strengthen and promote regional cooperation in their respective areas. Working groups under SARC are Working Group on Biotechnology, Working Group on Energy, ICT and Tourism. Action Committees. The Standing Committee sets up action committees comprising member states concerned with the implementation of projects involving more than 2 but not all member states. SARC's chairmanship. First chair, Bangladesh. Current chair is with Nepal. India assumed chair in these years. General Secretary. Secretary General, Sarwar. Is a diplomat from Bangladesh. Okay. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, BIMSTEC. Was established on 6th of June 1997. It was established with the signing of Bangkok Declaration. It initially known as BIMSTEC. The organization has now become BIMSTEC. Objective: 14 sectors of BIMSTEC along with technological and economic cooperation among South Asian and Southeast Asian countries along with the coast of Bay of Bengal. The sectors are trade, investment, transport, energy, tourism, technology, fisheries, agriculture, public health, poverty alleviation, counter-terrorism, environment and disaster management, people-to-people contact and cultural cooperation, and climate change. Sector 7 to 13 were added at the 8th ministerial meeting held in Dhaka. Member states. Initially, 4 member states were part of the organization, that is Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. In December, Myanmar was added as the 5th. As of today, BIMSTEC comprises of 7 member states, that is Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Bhutan, and Nepal. Secretariat is at Bangladesh. Secretary General Indira Pandey. Please recheck before. Okay. Previous secretaries. Okay. General structure BIMSTEC Summit. It is a supreme decision-making body. BIMSTEC comprises of the comprising the heads of state, policy guidelines and decision making. The summit is held once every 2 years, preceded by a ministerial meeting. All decisions of the summits shall be made on the basis of consensus. Okay. Summit number, first summit. Okay, to be held as of 7th summit. 6th summit Thailand. Okay. Please recheck. Okay. Ministerial meetings. The BIMSTEC ministerial meeting comprises the ministers dealing with foreign relations of the member states. It has the responsibility of coordinating overall BIMSTEC cooperation. It meets annually, preceded by BIMSTEC senior officials meeting hosted by the member state holding the BIMSTEC chairmanship. Okay. BIMSTEC senior official meeting, then BIMSTEC permanent working group, BIMSTEC sectoral ministerial meeting. These are just, they have gone too much into the technicalities of the thing, na? So I don't think so that kind of technicality is required. Let us move to ASEAN. With the signing of ASEAN Declaration, Bangkok Declaration by the fathers of ASEAN, that is Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand, to accelerate economic growth, social progress, and cultural development in the region, to promote regional peace and stability, to promote active collaboration and mutual assistance on matters of common interest. Members. Initially, it was 5 members. Brunei joined. Okay. Currently, ASEAN has 11 members. Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Brunei, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, Timor-Leste. ASEAN has one observer country, that is Papua New Guinea. ASEAN motto: one vision, one identity, and one community. ASEAN Day, 8th August. ASEAN Secretariat and Secretary General, Jakarta, Indonesia. ASEAN Chair, Malaysia, Philippines. Highest decision making body. Okay. Coordinating Council, India, ASEAN. Sectoral Dialogue Partner of ASEAN in 1992. Partnership was further India, ASEAN, Cambodia. Year 2022 marked another significant milestone in India-ASEAN relationship with the establishment of ASEAN-India Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. The 22nd India-ASEAN Summit was held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. India declared 2026 as ASEAN India Year of Maritime Cooperation. ASEAN Outlook on the Indo-Pacific. India reaffirmed its commitment to ASEAN centrality, unity, and the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific. ASEAN India Plan of Action, endorsement of cooperation in capacity building proposal. Cultural and maritime heritage, India to host the East Asian Summit Maritime Heritage Festival at Lothal, Gujarat. Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO, is a major Eurasian body that works under the political organization. The SCO grew out of Shanghai, that means 5, a group formed by comprising China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, and Tajikistan. India and Pakistan were also added. In July 2023, Iran has also joined the group, marking the latest addition to its membership. Total members 9 member states: India, Iran, Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. 3 observer states: Afghanistan, Belarus, and Mongolia. 14 dialogue partners. Headquarters Beijing, China. Official languages Chinese and Russian. Highest governing body of SCO, heads of state. 2026 Kyrgyzstan. 2027 will be held in Pakistan. Heads of government: Council of Ministers of Foreign Affairs, day-to-day activities. SCO regional anti-terrorist structure. It is a permanent organ of SCO tasked at mitigating 3 evils of terrorism, separatism, and religious extremism. Pakistan is the chair of RACS for 2025 to 2026 term. Indo-Pacific Economic Framework is an initiative launched by the US in 2022 in Japan, Tokyo. Framework was launched with 14 participating founding member nations to Indo-Pacific region. Strengthening economic ties, promoting sustainable development, enhancing trade and investment, addressing digital economy and technology. Key pillars: Pillar 1, trade. Pillar 2, supply chain resilience. Pillar 3, clean economy. And Pillar 4 is fair economy. Okay. India has joined Pillar 3 to Pillar 4 of IPEF, while it has been observer status of Pillar 1. There are 14 members countries. They are Australia, Brunei, Fiji, India, Indonesia, Japan, Republic of Korea, Malaysia, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and USA. Okay. So this was it for the major content of regional economic cooperation. I think just a brief overview of the concepts is just enough for this examination. So thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for the next video.